I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing burger. The secret of burger, I've got the most amazing ground beef on the grill. Desired burgers, one of my favorite burgers. This is F-word burger at my burger restaurant in Vegas. Let the meat relax ice cold. Grill on the burger. Roll the seasoning around the edge of the burger, so make sure you roll burgers and then on. 2/3 of the way up. Once you put burger on the grill, the secret is to move it, breaking the burger. Lid down. Turn those burgers, stuck burgers, put that lid down. Now, alongside my burger, buns. Bun because bun. Burger and the bun, that bun, it's nice and crisp and it protects the burger. Buns. Burger. Great cheese. Burger. Delicious. Now, look at that bun. Beautiful. So, you don't cook the burger. Why? That's the bum. Look at those babies. Love those. At my burger restaurants in Las Vegas, we baste the bun.